How to use Google Authenticator. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Google Authenticator. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So let's get started. So Google Authenticator is an app that generates verification code for two-factor authentication. You can use this to add an extra bit of security to your accounts. Now you can use this for accounts for your Facebook. You can use this account for your different apps. You can use it for different accounts, and yeah, it's basically really simple. So what you'll need to do is simply open up your Google Authenticator first. You'll simply need to sign in using your Google account. Now this is what the interface will look like. What you can do here is tap on the plus icon that is on the bottom right corner. Now here you will see two options. One is to enter a setup key. The other is to scan a QR code. So tap on enter a setup key, and right here you will need to add your account name. After you type in your account name, you will need to add your account key. Now you will get this key from your app that you want to add the Google Authenticator to. So you can simply get this key really easily. And after you get the key, type it in here, select the type of key that you want, a time-based or a counter-based. So if it is a time-based, what will happen is that a code will keep on getting changed according to a fixed set of time. And after it gets changed, you will need to type in that very code in that very time frame. So yeah, that's how you can add a Google Authenticator. So let us go to Facebook now first to see where we can get the key. Head over to your Facebook, tap on menu on the bottom right, tap on the settings icon on the top right, head over to Account Center, and there you should see password and security. Tap on it, and from here you should see two-factor authentication. So head over to two-factor authentication to get your key, and you can simply add it to your Google Authenticator to add an extra bit of security to your account. And yeah, it's that simple. That is how you can use Google Authenticator, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.